Each tool individually tested to 10,000 volts and certified to 1000 volt AC or 1500 volt DC. Insulation molded directly onto the blade for permanent bonding. SoftFinish handle solid molded core with soft outer cushion grip, 40% more torque than conventional handles. Wiha Special CRM72 Tool Steel Blades. Wiha insulated SoftFinish cushion grip drivers are the standard for premium quality, featuring ergonomic cushion grip handles for comfort and control, dual durometer construction for long-lasting durability, and handles directly molded to the blade for a permanent bond. Country of origin, subject to change. Germany. May vary with marketplace data. Line above is most accurate country of origin. For up-to-date information, visit the Wiha Tools USA website. Ergonomic cushion grip. Rated to 1000 volts AC. Handle directly molded to blade. Tip profiles labeled on cap. Meets ASTM F1505 standard specifications. Top reviews from the United States. Wiha keeps me safe. I am an electrical engineer and I uses these every day. I get a couple years out of these before the insulation breaks down toward tip in time. Still usable, but the insulation is what keeps you safe. I love Wiha and do not use any other brand of insulated screwdrivers.